Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Grok AI account. So let's begin. Basically, we're at their homepage right now, which is XI. And then the easiest way to create an account is just simply clicking on try now right over here. Okay? So just simply click on that and you're going to be redirected to this site right here. Then after that, just simply hit sign up right here. So you're going to go through Cloudflare something. Just click on that. And then here, okay, you will see all of the options we have. You can sign up by email, sign up with X or Twitter accounts, sign up with the Google, or even with your Gmail account. Those are all of the options available so we can utilize the Grok. Okay? So that's all for this video. I hope you find this very helpful.